Welcome back. Good day, mates. This is my first monthly routine on my first contract, and then first job is alternator check, so that we can assure that we don't experiencing a problem. But unfortunately, I saw this alternator, they do not use a air filter disposable mat. Instead, they let the filter screen protect this alternator. But you can see that screen on that filter did not protect this alternator. This is full of carbon. This is first time for me that this alternator is full of dirt, because that is located at the first ducting of our engine control, engine room ducting, near on the ER ducting. Okay, as you can see, this is not applicable for us to use that screen only. We need to put a disposable air filter mat. Okay, this one, we need to clean that one, and then that filter only we need to clean on electrosol. But this alternator we need to recommend on dry dock. That this alternator need to wet cleaning with electrosol. Okay, but for now I only use a vacuum, not blowing air for this alternator. Is because you might experience that carbon penetrates on that winding. No need to do blowing of air, just a vacuum for now. And then first, this filter, clean that cover of that filter, and then vacuum this using vacuum cleaner. I need to remove the excess carbon and dirt of this part, of all that part. Okay, using this small brush, this will eliminate the carbons and dirt of this alternator. But for now, this is only my remedy, vacuuming this area. Okay, for awareness, we need to use a air disposable mat. Every month we can replace that one. Easy and super easy. It's because it is disposable. Okay, we need to vacuum all areas that we can access. This is the stator and rotor part of our alternator, including the exciter. Okay, before we commencing the alternator check or IR check, first we assure that that area is clean. Okay, we already clean that part, including that screen filter. Okay, we need to use that disposable air mat. Okay, as you can see, very easy to clean, because you need to cut the disposable mat and then replace it. The old one, you can dispose it. Okay, we can assure that the small dirt cannot penetrate that area of the alternator. And then we need to check the top part. Okay, 2 and 3, as well as we need to check that one. Top part, we check AVR, transformers, and then other parts of that area, it's clean and no need to worry. Okay, all connections are checked, and then as you can see, this is clean. That's all. Okay, that is worth for sharing, that you need to use disposable air filter. Thank you.